No watch views, you know. Do not watch views. Views and dislikes. Don't let that discourage you from continuing to do whatever you want to do. What's up, Lishi Gang? You don't know it's your girl Lishi and I'm back with another.
Nope.
Wagwan peeps, you don't know it's your girl Lishi, and today I'll be telling you guys how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020, tips and tricks. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please to go ahead and subscribe, and also please to follow me on Instagram at MissLishi20, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up and comment if this helps. So let's get right into the videos. So the first thing you need is either a phone or a camera, but if you're trying to start a YouTube channel on a broke budget, you can use your phone. It can either be an Android or an iPhone. So guys, when recording, it's best to set your phone at a horizontal so that it fills up the screen instead of having two black bars at the end. Also, I record my video on my iPhone 7s Plus. Either you can also invest into a selfie stick. Those are like $1,000 because they're out of style now. So like, if you don't have nowhere to put it, just catch up on the wall or catch up on something, or catch up two book, okay? You know me I say? But it's best to like invest into a selfie stick. It's just $1,000 or less. Or also you can have a tripod. The quality of your video should be like the quality of it turn up, your quality of it. So guys, when we talk about quality, most persons prefer quality over quantity. So if you have a lot of video and the quality of the video not good, you know, say, well, most people will watch it, but most persons won't. So you have to ensure say your quality up, clear, clean, because me not like whoever want to watch a video with the quality poor. Cause me wanna sit down and watch it neither. If I even my video, me still not sit down and watch it. The quality needs to be up. Also, you know, like, it's best to have good lighting. You can use natural lighting. You can use a ring light. You can use a light where, you know, like the room light, but just know it have to like give you a buzz. You get me I say? It have to give you a buzz like this. Now I am using a ring light. I think it was $15 I ordered on Shein. I also have another ring light which I'll be unboxing in the next video, but for now I'm just using this one that I purchased on Shein. And also the audio of your videos, it's like, if I can't hear you and you can't hear me, I know you have to click off of the video. So if your audio not good, it don't make no sense you post it. The audio have to 100%, even 150%, we need to hear something. So your audio must always up. Before you start your channel, please to ensure that you know what your channel will be about, what are the topics, whatever, story time, pranks, challenges, makeup, hair tutorials, anything. Also, you have to promote your channel. If you want reach somewhere, you have to promote your channel. Promote it on all social media platforms that you have. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have Instagram, you have even your WhatsApp. Promote it on WhatsApp, because so your first set of subscribers will be your friends and your family, because I know say when you just start a channel, you're gonna be like, oh, subscribe, you know. If I invite them phone and subscribe to your channel, them still gonna see it, it's like a pop-up or something. So if you have a friend and your friend doesn't help you to promote your channel, like post it on their status and like, subscribe to my girl, subscribe to my boy, you know, that's not a friend. That is not a friend. So it's best to cut off that person. But Not saying you should, but at least try to push your friend to do what is good. You get what I say? Try to help your friend to grow. Also, the number one key, the key is to be consistent. If you're not consistent, say for instance you just start a YouTube channel and you're not consistent, you just drop a video and next 1 month after you drop a next video. No, it cannot work like that. You have to be consistent. If you drop a video today, or whenever, if you drop a video, you can just say, let me just drop at least 2 videos in 1 week, or at least 1 video in a week. You get what I say? Because the more you push out your content, is the more persons will like say, alright, them genuine, and them say, you know what? Or you can also set a specific time and date whenever you would like to post a video, so it keeps your subscribers active, or you know what I mean, like it gives them the head up to know, say, you know, say such person I go start them channel right now, like them I go drop a video at 5, so me I go tune into that the person there. You get me? I say, like, give them something to say, alright, let's go subscribe to that person, let's go support that person, or whatever. Also, please ensure that you always remember to be yourself. Be yourself. Nobody can take that from you. Just come on and like spread the word. Be yourself. Not try come on and like try to be someone else that you're not. Just come on and give them the raw baba who you is. Don't care. Just come on here and say, give it to them. Also, please stay motivated. Like, motivate yourself every day. No watch views, you know. Do not watch views and dislikes. Don't let that discourage you from continuing to do whatever you want. Because at the end of the day, the views will come, and the likes will come, and the subscribers will come. So if you just start, just continue. One day you must drop a video and it must go viral or something. People must like something what you do. That is a must. Persons will like just be you. Motivate yourself. Don't watch the likes, don't watch the dislikes, don't watch the views. You hear? Do not watch the views. They will come. Make sure to put your make sure to put your all in all of your videos. So if I'm here and I'm watching one of your videos and I say, yes, this grabbed me, I go and watch more. So make sure that when you post a video, you put your all. When you record a video, you put your all in it. So you will genuinely gain subscribers right there. So it's not really a hard process. It's a simple process. You just have to be consistent, have good quality of a phone, have good lighting, have good audio. When uploading your videos, please to ensure that you're uploading your videos on Wi-Fi. If you're not uploading your videos on Wi-Fi and you're uploading your videos on mobile networks or service, this will have an effect on your quality. So it's best to upload your videos on Wi-Fi. Remember to always engage with your subscribers. Like if they comment underneath your video, please to comment back and engage and try to build a friendship. Let's say a friendship. Try to build a friendship with them. Like when them say nice video, like when them give you a good comment, please to respond and please to reply to them. Not just like the comment and give it a heart. Please to like leave a welcoming, a warm welcome reply, like thank you so much or whatever. Give them something to say. Yes, this person is like, I don't even know if it's say like give them something to talk about. Make them talk. Say yes, me like that person here. That person here have a boss. This person is not stuck up or whatever. people supporting you, support them back, because without them they're not gonna reach nowhere. So please ensure that you reply to your subscribers. Also, so always remember, don't watch views, they will come. They will come whenever they're ready. You get what I say? One day you must big. Don't watch this person who is getting 1,000 views or more. Don't watch this person who is getting like 35 views. Don't watch this person who is getting a minimum of 300 views. Your views will come. You just have to be yourself. Just have to be yourself. Have good quality. Have a phone. Have good lighting. And also good audio. So this is how you are going to start a successful YouTube channel from nothing to something. So remember, always remember, don't watch views, don't watch dislikes, don't watch bad comments. That only gives you the courage to stay motivated and continue to do what's best for you. So guys, this is the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up and like, share, comment and subscribe.